Hi everyone! Today I'm painting a pear and I'm really excited to show you my process. I'm going to explain two examples side by side. On the left you'll see a very simple pear, and on the right I'll show you how to make it look more dimensional, textured and painterly. I'm using a flat brush for this. I start by sketching with my brush, using yellow ochre and burnt sienna. Then I block in the basic light and shadow on the pear and also the cast shadow on the surface. This first version is super simple, just to show you the basic idea. And now let's move on to making the pear more alive. I sketch the second pear the same way, but this time I start adding more colors and building up the volume. There are so many ways to paint a pear, and I'm just showing you how I do it, in my own loose style, without aiming for hyperrealism. I use cooler colors in the light areas and warmer ones in the shadows to make it feel more real and interesting. Thanks so much for being here and watching. I hope you enjoy the process.